Now let's see the applications of Henry's law. First application or a real life situation, that is soda water, soda bottle. If it is soda bottle fizzes, soda bottle fizzes when it opens. So if we open soda bottle, it fizzes. So that is an application of Henry's law. We know that when pressure increases, if you are applying pressure, when pressure increases, solubility also increases. So according to Henry's law, we can say the solubility can be increased by applying pressure. So for the preparation of soda bottle or soda water, we know that high pressure is applied to dissolve carbon dioxide in water for the making of soda water. For making soda water, we know that carbon dioxide gas is dissolved in water. So it is produced by applying high pressure. High pressure is applied to dissolve carbon dioxide in water to make soda water. So carbon dioxide വെള്ളത്തിൽ ഹൈ പ്രഷറിൽ ഡിസോൾവ് ചെയ്യിച്ചാണ് സോഡ വാട്ടർ പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ കൂടുതൽ പ്രഷർ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യും തോറും കാർബൺ ഡയോക്സൈഡ് കൂടുതൽ കാർബൺ ഡയോക്സൈഡ് വെള്ളത്തിൽ ലയിക്കും. സോ ഇഫ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് സീൽഡ്, we can say that high pressure is needed. High pressure is applied to dissolve carbon dioxide in that bottle. So if we open it, what happens? The pressure will be decreasing. So if we open the soda bottle or the soda bottle, the pressure will be decreasing. That means the pressure will be coming to the atmospheric pressure. So if it opens, it will be the atmospheric pressure. So the pressure will be decreasing. So inside the soda bottle, the pressure is more and more carbon dioxide is dissolved in that water and soda water is made. So if the bottle is opened, the pressure decreases and it falls down and it attains atmospheric pressure. So the solubility will be decreasing or the solubility is lowered. According to Henry's law, solubility will be lowered if pressure is less. So in that case, that carbon dioxide molecule will be escaped. So in that case, the carbon dioxide molecule will be escaped from the bottle. So in a bottle, if it is sealed, so this carbon dioxide and water, so this carbon dioxide is dissolved in this water by applying more pressure. So if it opens, what happens is pressure is lowered. If it opens, what happens is this carbon dioxide gas will be escaped. And we can see bubbles of carbon dioxide fizz out from that bottle. So carbon dioxide gas will be escaped from the bottle. So our water solvent, the solvent water ആണ്. So ആ വാട്ടറിന് അത്രയും കാർബൺ ഡയോക്സൈഡിനെ ഡിസോൾവ് ചെയ്യിച്ച് നിർത്താനുള്ള കപ്പാസിറ്റി പ്രഷർ കുറയുമ്പോൾ ഇല്ല. പ്രഷർ കൂടിയിരിക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് മോർ കാർബൺ ഡയോക്സൈഡ് ഈസ് ഡിസോൾവ്ഡ്. പ്രഷർ കുറഞ്ഞു കഴിയുമ്പോൾ വാട്ടറിന് അത്രമാത്രം കാർബൺ ഡയോക്സൈഡിനെ ഹോൾഡ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള കപ്പാസിറ്റി ഇല്ലാതാവുന്നു. സോ പ്രഷർ കുറയുമ്പോൾ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇത് ബോട്ടിൽ ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഇറ്റ് ബിക്കംസ് ദ അറ്റ്മോസ്ഫിയറിക് പ്രഷർ ആൻഡ് പ്രഷർ ഡിക്രീസസ്. സോ ദ കാർബൺ ഡയോക്സൈഡ് മോളിക്യൂൾ വിൽ ബി എസ്കേപ്ഡ്. സോ this is an application of Henry's law. So when pressure is more, solubility is more. When pressure is less, solubility will be less. That is the principle. So here soda water is prepared by dissolving carbon dioxide under high pressure. So if that bottle opens, carbon dioxide will be escaped due to the release of carbon dioxide due to the fall in pressure. So that is one application of Henry's law. The second application of Henry's law, that is actually called anoxia. Anoxia is actually a medical condition, or that is actually a mental confusion and tiredness. So that condition is known as mental confusion and tiredness, that is known as anoxia. So this happens if a person is going at high altitude, if it is at high altitude, so this pressure, actually the pressure is less. So at high altitude the pressure is less. When pressure is less, we know that the solubility of a gas is also less. So when pressure is less, solubility is also less. So the oxygen dissolved in blood will be lowered. So if a person is at high altitude, feels that condition, that is a mental condition, a mental confusion or tiredness, that is the feeling of that person, that if that person is in high altitude. So high altitude pressure വളരെ കുറവാണ്. പ്രഷർ കുറവായതുകൊണ്ട് അവിടെ വെച്ച് ഓക്സിജനിൽ ബ്ലഡിൽ ഡിസോൾവ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന ഓക്സിജൻ്റെ അളവ് വളരെ കുറവായിരിക്കും. സോ അറ്റ് ദാറ്റ് ടൈം ദാറ്റ് പേഴ്സൺ feels a mental confusion and tiredness. So that mental confusion and tiredness, that is known as anoxia. That condition is known as anoxia. That condition is due to the low oxygen level in the blood of that person. So that low oxygen level is due to the lower pressure at a high altitude. So at high altitude pressure is less, so the solubility is also less. That means the solubility of oxygen in blood, that is less in that case. That means low level of oxygen in that blood. So that causes anoxia. So that is another application of Henry's law. Third application is scuba divers or deep sea divers carry cylinders with helium. So scuba divers carry oxygen cylinders with helium, that is diluted with helium. So why they are using? So in the case of scuba divers, they are going under the sea. So they are going under the sea. So if that person is under the sea, so under the sea we know that the pressure is high. And the pressure is high. Under the sea the pressure is high and the solubility will be also high. So more gases will be dissolved in blood. So in the case of scuba divers or deep sea divers, the pressure is high below the sea level, or we can say when pressure is high the solubility also high. That means the solubility of gases in the blood will be more. So more gases will be dissolved in the blood of that person. So if they are coming up, so if that person is coming up, so the pressure will be again less. So the pressure is less in the land level. So in the land level the pressure is less and there is a problem. That means the extra amount of the gases dissolved in the blood will be forming a block in blood capillaries. Block in blood capillaries. So those gases are forming bubbles in the blood capillaries, that forming a block in the blood capillaries, and that causes a medical condition known as bent. So that causes a medical condition called a bent. So pressure is less in the land level. So in the case of sea water or under the sea the pressure is high and solubility will be high, so more gases will be dissolved in their blood. When they are coming up, or the pressure, they are coming in the land level, the pressure is less. When pressure is less, again the solubility will be less. That means the extra amount of gases dissolved in their blood will be forming some bubbles, and that causes block in their blood capillaries, and that causes a medical condition called a bend. So in order to avoid this bend, they are carrying oxygen cylinders with helium. So a fixed amount of or fixed percentage of helium, oxygen or nitrogen, so that is present in their cylinder. That is actually the normal level in the land. Normal level of gases in the land level. So that is actually carrying by the scuba divers. So this is the third application of Henry's law.